and welcome to the choppiest video I've probably ever posted. This is going to be what I eat in a week. I filmed majority of everything that I ate this week, and I am putting it all together with a voiceover montage for you that you will see in just a moment. The video didn't really have an intro, so here I am to introduce it. I have something to say that I wrote out on my phone. I just want to say that I know food can be a very sensitive topic for a lot of people, so please don't compare yourself to anyone or what anyone else is eating. Also, please don't feel the need to change your diet when you watch any of these videos on YouTube. I promise everyone is different. This is what works for me. I don't count calories or anything like that. I don't count macros. I just try to eat what makes me feel good on the inside. It's gonna fuel my body well, and I love sweets, so I have dessert like pretty much every day. Anyways, that's all. I just wanted to give that little disclaimer and a trigger warning in case you've had like eating disorders or anything. I know it can be a little bit impactful if you have dealt with that in the past and you see what everyone else is eating. Okay, the camera's battery's gonna die. Bye, hope you enjoy. All right, Monday morning, I slept in and didn't end up eating breakfast till about 11 o'clock, so I was very hungry. I made myself a big bowl of oatmeal with bananas on top. I also put some cacao powder. Allie's literally flushing the toilet. Are you kidding me? I also put sunflower seed butter on... Could you be more loud? On the oatmeal, and I had this Power of 7 Greens juice from Trader Joe's. I thought it would taste like straight up grass, but it was actually really good. Here's me talking about it in my vlog if you didn't see it. I really liked it, and it's a really good alternative if you don't want to eat straight veggies. I had this Go Macro bar a little later in the day. This is the peanut butter chocolate chip flavor, and it is fantastic. It has a lot of protein, and the ingredients are pretty good. Later that night, my friends came over to watch The Bachelor, and we made this big charcuterie board before. We had a bunch of stuff on there that you can see in this time lapse, and we brought it to a park by my house and set up a blanket. Got all cute. We also had some sparkling grape juice and did a little sunset picnic, which was so much fun. When we watched the episode itself, we had to have some ice cream, of course. We had this Tillamook Utterly Chocolate Extra Creamy ice cream. It is the best ice cream I've ever had in my life. You have to try Tillamook if you haven't. The next day, I don't know where the footage went for my breakfast, but I had hard-boiled eggs and fruit. And there's Erin testing out her sandwich at lunch. For lunch that day, I had these Trader Joe's mixed berry granola bites, this seaweed, which is the best seaweed I've ever had. Cut up some oranges. These were amazing. I don't know if like oranges are in season or what the deal is, but they were so good. And I had this Trader Joe's Caesar salad with chicken breast. This is the best Caesar salad that's store-bought that I've had, and I love it. Here I am eating it. Very delicious. So I'm doing a little dancey dance. Then when I got home, I was hungry, so I ate some of this Trader Joe's trail mix. Obviously, I'm a Trader Joe's stan. Clearly, there's me eating the chocolate from it because I literally usually only eat the chocolate, and this is kind of funny. I need to slow down my talking. I wanted to have some green juice, but I was not about to have like a whole cup of it. So I literally poured it into a shot glass, and I was like, I'm gonna have 2 shots of green juice, and I ended up having 8 shots of the green juice. It was really good. For dinner that night, my mom actually cooked up some of these Brussels sprouts, and we had a bunch of those. They were a little charred, but they were crunchy and delicious. And with that, we also had some pasta, and I topped it off with my mom's spaghetti sauce, which is homemade and amazing. Here's Allie and the chef. Around 7 o'clock, I got my sweet craving, so I had these chocolate-covered bananas from, you never guess where, Trader Joe's, of course, and my tea. I didn't show this every single night in the video, but I did have one every night of this week. This is the best, and I drink one pretty much before bed every single day. Wednesday morning rolled around, and it's the hump day. You need a little kick in the middle of the day. So, middle of the day, in the middle of the week. So I got some Starbucks. I had a medicine ball tea and this egg and cheese protein box. This is really protein packed and it has a lot of good stuff that's pretty healthy. For lunch on Wednesday, I had this bag of fruit and vegetables that I had prepped on Sunday. I always do prepping for my lunch on Sunday, and it's made my life so much easier. Had some seaweed and some rice cakes, and this sandwich on the Dave's Killer Bread with turkey cheese and lettuce. For dinner, Grace was over, and we had some chicken teriyaki with broccoli and rice. The Island Soyaki teriyaki sauce from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's, again, literally this video is an ad for Trader Joe's. We had that, and it was really delicious. Here is my bowl. As I was saying, Grace was over that night. She spent the night. So she was making her biology cake. It was supposed to represent a cell. It was chocolate, and we topped it with this really good vanilla frosting and ate that for dessert. Hey, it's Friday. I was gonna make myself eggs or have like scrambled eggs with a smoothie, but I don't have time because I'm late, so I'm eating one of these with some strawberries for breakfast. These are actually really good, and they have pretty good ingredients. Allie's printing something right now if you hear that. I barely filmed anything yesterday. I think all I filmed was my Waba grill. I'll put that on the screen right now because my camera battery died and I was at the blood drive all day. So I had a smoothie for breakfast with a piece of toast that had peanut butter on top of it, some French fries between breakfast and lunch, because they had them there, and then the Wobble Grill for lunch, and I just had like a bunch of different snack foods, I guess you could say, for dinner. So that was that, and of course I had my tea last night too. Off to the day. On Friday, my lunch was pretty similar to everything else I had been having that week. I had another one of those Trader Joe's salads, but apparently there's no footage of me filming that. I also had my seaweed, of course, and some rice cakes, another bag of fruit and vegetables, and that night for dinner I had sushi, but I didn't film it because I was just so exhausted. Also, I had some of Chloe's raisins, and here's this really hot angle of me eating them. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you have not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.